Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can find your login details or your username and password for your admin account on WordPress through your hosting or hosting service. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm on Quora simply because I do not have a hosting or subscription. I do not host my own site on WordPress. I do not have the money to do so, and I'm not planning on hosting a site, so I'm just going to be using this. Hope you guys don't mind. Now, I am going to be looking at these two top answers, which are really good. Both of them should lead you to the destination that you need. They are different, so choose whichever one works for you best. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is just access your WordPress account via the H panel. You need to go into hosting and then go into manage, and it should log you in where you can go into users. And then you just need to click on your admin account and change the password to something you will remember and something you want to set as your password. Then you just need to try logging in and to make sure it works, and that should be one of the answers. Now, what you can also do is you can just go into the website section on Hostinger and then click on Auto Installer and then into WordPress. Then you need to locate your WordPress installation, which you're currently using, and click Edit Details next to it. And then you'll need to find the administrator username. Once you do that, you can set it to whatever you want, and you can also reset your password. Now, you cannot see your password and change your password like that. You need to click the reset password functionality, and that should give you the entire process, including the email link, which will lead you to your password changing page. And then once you're there, you just need to enter the new password and save it, and you should be good to go. Make sure you write everything down so you don't remember it, so you don't forget it rather, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.